Good morning, viewers and students. We're going to discuss the first chapter 2 marks questions in the senior economics. Most important questions repeatedly in the examinations. Economic growth, first question. The increase in the real output of goods and services of an economy over time is called as economic growth. It is a single dimensional, it is a narrow concept, it is mainly related to developed countries. It is measured as a per cap percentage rate of increase in the real GDP. And second question, economic development. Economic growth means increase in the output. Economic development means progressive changes in the socio-economic structure of the country. It is a multi-dimensional concept. It is generally related to developing countries. And third question, per capita income. The income per head per year is called as per capita income. It is calculated by dividing the national income with the population of the country. The average income of an individual in the country during a given period of time is called as per capita income. It is very good indicator of standard of living and economic development. Next question. Human capital. So what is the meaning of human capital? Expenditure on education, training, skill, formation, research, and improvement in the health is called as human capital. It is the best indicator of economic development. So the public expenditure on education and research in USA more than 6% of its GDP, but in developing countries only 3%, but in India 3.3% in 2011 and 12 period. Next, dual economy. Developing countries are characterized by the dualism, an economy where both technically advanced, technically primitive sectors exist side by side is called as dual economy. Technical dualism, social dualism, financial dualism are three types of dualism in the developing countries. So these are the very important questions in the first chapter.